garage is empty. It's a very weird feeling. It's actually... New owner just came by to pick up the WRX. It's officially sold. It's off to a new guy who lives up in Edmonton actually, so about 3 hours from here. And it was cool. I was selling it to him and the smile that he had on his face reminded me of the smile I had on my face when I first got that WRX when I was about 23 years old, turning 24. I'm turning 27 this year, so I actually had that WRX for 4.5, almost 5 years, and it was such a fun car to drive. I loved that car so much. When I was 23, the things that put the biggest smile on my face, having the fast car and the loud exhaust and going out late at night with my friends and kind of just cruising around the city, it's changed. As I've grown older, I've found myself loving a different sort of feeling that I get as I'm out with my friends in a different scenario, you know, going out to the mountains and exploring and seeing cool new places and experiencing those places with my friends and my girlfriend. And that, as I've gotten older, has become more valuable to me and more important, and I've enjoyed that more. It's put that smile on my face. And that's kind of the biggest reason I picked up the Tacoma, and it happened so fast, but I guess it's the end of one chapter, you know, and the start of a new chapter. I know a lot of you guys are also kind of into the Tacomas, maybe low-key also kind of want one. So many people have messaged me and been like, oh man, looks awesome, I want one too, which is pretty funny. So I hope you guys will kind of stick around for the next chapter here on my channel. And I've still got my Yamaha MT-09. It's a 900cc kind of street bike, not a sport bike, but it's super aggressive, and this bike gives me that adrenaline rush that the Subaru used to give me. Kind of crazy, this YouTube channel started with bikes and only bikes. I didn't even have Subaru at the time, and now it's transitioned so much. I've got a truck, which I never imagined I would have, but I can't wait for the next chapter. I want to load this up onto the back of that Tacoma someday, this year, this summer, and drive it out to the mountains and just rip around those mountains. Like, some of those spots are so much fun. The end of the chapter, and I will hope that you stick around for the next chapter on my channel here, and that you guys will see the new videos and all the new travels and exploring and even the new mods. I've already got stuff here for the Tacoma, funny enough. Got a Heritage Pro grill going on this week. Got the Raptor lights, I've got some black badges, and I've got some really, really awesome new lighting stuff already en route for the Tacoma. So cool videos on that, you know, even if you're not owning a Tacoma. Hope you'll stick around and watch the channel, support me, and see the fun things I do. So With that, guys, I will end this here and I will see you in the next video.